What's up, guys? Mr. Garrow here again. Quick tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to access our Google Meet for our classroom each week. There's a couple of different ways that you can find our Google Meets, and then how you access those once you have the link and the nickname. All right. So first thing to note, we are going to have a weekly schedule for Google Meets that will be posted in our announcements. It's also on our homepage in Canvas. And you can see here, basically, it depends on what class period you have me for. So if I have you in class first period, our Google Meet is going to be every Wednesday during that time period at 8:55 a.m. If I have you for fourth period, you're going to do our Google Meets on Thursdays at 8:55 a.m., right? So the days, the periods, and the times are here, and then the links. And the important thing to note here is that the link to Google Meet will be there each week, but the nickname is what you're going to use to access the actual meeting. And so if you haven't done this before, the first thing you need to know is that you have to be using your school Google account. You have to be logged into your school Google account. So you should be using your school Chromebook. And if you're using your school Chromebook, it'll work seamlessly. If you're trying to use a home computer, you got to make sure that you log in to your school Google account. And make sure that that is what you're using to access Google Meets, all right? So the way this works is you're going to click on whatever day of the week and whatever time your class period is. You're going to click the link, and it's going to take you to Google Meet. And then it's going to have the ability to join or start a meeting. And when you click that button, okay, when you click that meeting, you're going to be able to just put in the nickname that I've given you, all right? So if I've given you the nickname for that week and it's just Garrow, you're going to type in Garrow and hit continue, and you're going to be able to join our classroom meeting. Now, here's the tricky part, okay, guys? Here's the deal. If I, as the teacher, have not set up and logged into the Google Meet, it's not going to let you in until I go in first, okay? Because as the teacher, I'm the person who sets up the Google Meet each week. It's not going to create and allow you to enter that Google meeting until I have already opened it and started it. So if you try to log in to our Google Meet on Wednesday at 7:30 in the morning, it is not going to exist. It's not going to work. I have to set that up for us. All right. So otherwise, basically, you're just going to click the link to the Google Meet. You're going to type in the nickname to the class period. I will be there, and then you will participate in our classroom each week. Okay. Please remember, don't log in 30 minutes early. It's not going to let you do that. You're going to have to log in when I set it up, which means a couple minutes before class each week. I will get in there, and then you'll be able to log in and join. All right. So you're going to be able to access our Google Meets using the nickname feature. Got to be logged into your school computer, and it will work during your specific class period. The nickname might change each week. It just depends on how things are going. So you're going to want to make sure you check back into our announcements on our homepage and in your Canvas calendar to find the specific Google Meet nickname for that week. All right. So that's how it's done, guys. Pretty simple to get into our classroom Google Meets. Please make sure you check out all the other how-to videos on our homepage. Lots of them down here to help you find the information you need. And we will see you soon. Looking forward to it. And as always, go Rams.